In prior videos, I showed you how to break down sales data by store, by month, or by product. However, in many marketing situations, we may want to do a crosstab analysis to break down sales data by store, by month, and by product. For example, the store manager may want to know the total revenue by store and month for any subset of products. In this video, I will show you how to do crosstabs analysis using PivotTable. The dataset used in this video is from the Marketing Analytics, written by Wayne Winston. This data worksheet contains information about product, month, store, and price, and the sample size is 1,326 observations. First, place your cursor anywhere in the data cell and click the Insert tab, then click Pivot Table. The Excel opens a pivot table dialog box as shown here. In the pivot table, I want the month to be listed on the left side, and the store to be listed across the top row. Therefore, drag the month field to the row box and store field to the column box. Also, I want to calculate revenue in the pivot table. Drag price field to the value box. Last, we want to dice the sale data by any subset of the products. As such, drag product field to filters box. Here is the pivot table. By clicking the drop-down arrow in the report filter, you can display the total revenue by store and month for any subset of products. For example, I want to display the total revenue by store and month for Adhesive 1, Tape 1, and Safety 1. Select these products, and you see here that during January, sales of these products downtown are $39 and uptown are $15. As you can see from this table, it is difficult to know which products were used in the pivot table calculation. The slicer feature remedies this problem. Place your cursor anywhere in the pivot table, click Insert tab, select Slicer, then select Product, click OK. A slicer provides sort of a dashboard to filter on subsets of products drawn from a pivot table field. The slicer makes it obvious that the calculations refer to Adhesive 1, Safety 1, and Tape 1. In this video, you have learned how pivot tables can be used to slice and dice sales data. Judicious use of the field settings capability is often the key to performing the needed calculations. Through how-to examples, my channel aims to teach you business analytics, including concepts, methodologies, and tools. If you are interested to learn how to use analytics to solve real business issues, please subscribe to my channel for weekly updates.